Sonia. Today TI has launched a new product again. Now I introduce our Pro-210 and Pro-218 inch system to you. This system is including 8 pieces double 10 inch line array, 4 pieces double 18 inch subwoofer, and 2 pieces 50 inch cosine monitor. And matched with our power amplifier. This rack is including the rack, amplifier, processor, and power supply device, and digital mixer, and one set wireless microphone. This system is suitable for church, stadium, and festival, and it can cover more than 2,000 people. So if you are interested in this product, please let us know. We will send you more details as soon as possible. Okay, so thank you for your time. We are testing our Pro-210 and Pro-218 inch system to you.